Namaskar. So today we are going to discuss about the Global Protect third part. It is basically the full tunnel and split tunnel. What is the difference between full tunnel, or what is the use of full tunnel, and what is the use of split tunnel, and what is the difference between both. So second video we have configured portal gateway. Second video we have configured the policy tunnel. But we can only able to access the local internet. Now we are going to just before I'm going to go to the configuration part, just I will give you the overview. तो बाबू इधर सो बेसिए देखिए दो सिनेरियो है, एक फुल टनल और एक है स्प्लिट टनल। तो फुल टनल में क्या होता है, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू इफ आई एम यूजिंग द फुल टनल। मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, आई एम सिटिंग इन माई होम, और मैं सॉरी सॉरी वो मेरा घर में हूँ, बाहर हूँ, पूरी दीघा कहीं पे भी घूमने गया हूँ। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम ओपनिंग माई लैपटॉप एंड कनेक्ट टू द लोकल इंटरनेट। I can use it my mobile or hotspot as well. You can understand. So this will be a local internet. Now your office in Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, wherever it is, but you are a different place physically. You are physically located in the different place. So but you have to come continue your office. So how can you do it? Because right now what is the scenario, we are going to sit on our home and we are doing the work from home, but we are connecting to the VPN. So there is two scenario. One scenario, what you have to do, I am connecting to my local ISP, and from there we are connecting to a VPN, that is my office firewall. Okay, if I'm talking about firewall, then I'm going to the firewall. Then what happened, there is two scenario. In the full tunnel, if I am connecting to my VPN, then everything what I am connecting to the network, the internet from the browser, everything is going via this direction with a logical tunnel. Tunnel क्या है क्या नहीं है, कैसे कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं, we have already covered it in the VPN portion. So क्या होगा, if I'm going type Google, so it will take the office ISP. If I'm using FB, YouTube, whatever it is, based on the firewall policy, you can access it via office internet, not your internet. It is only using to connect from your local ISP to office for firewall VPN. So it is only using to that. For this, you are using internet. And if you need to access your server, your LAN, based on your firewall policy, you can access it. So if you do anything from your corporate laptop, it is going via this or this. Now in the second scenario, this is the first scenario. Now in the second scenario, ऑफिस का लैप इंटरनेट इतना अच्छा नहीं है, देन ऑफिस ने किया क्या भाई, इफ यू नीड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम ऑफिस लाइक ऑफिस सर्वर, ऑफिस इंटरनेट एप्लीकेशन, यू वांट्स टू कनेक्ट टू द लोकल यूजर, लोकल लैन, देन क्या कह रहा है कि भाई आप यहाँ से वीपीएन कनेक्ट करो, यू कैन कनेक्ट द वीपीएन। ये मेरा लैपटॉप है, यहाँ पे मैंने वीपीएन कनेक्ट कर लिया है, ठीक है। सोचो कि ये मेरा वीपीएन है, यहाँ पे एक वीपीएन है, 40 क्लाइंट है, जो भी है मैंने कनेक्ट कर लिया। यहाँ पे वी आर यूजिंग ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट, वी हैव कनेक्टेड इट। तो यहाँ से आके क्या कर रहा है, ये ऑफिस नेटवर्क में आ रहा है, पालो अल्टो फायरवॉल के पास आ गया। अब फायरवॉल क्या देख रहा है, उसको इधर जाना है या इधर जाना है, ठीक है। ये हो गया एक सिचुएशन है कि ये हो रहा है ये, और दूसरा सिचुएशन में यहीं से डिसाइड हो रहा है कि भाई इसको किधर जाना है, इंटरनेट पे जाना है, तो इस इंटरनेट लोकल आईएसपी, तब आपका लोकल आईएसपी काम आएगा। यहाँ से आपको इंटरनेट, आपने गूगल टाइप किया, आपने यूट्यूब देखना है, यूट्यूब, तो आपका लोकल इंटरनेट यूज होगा। अगर आपको ऑफिस के कुछ एप्लीकेशन यूज करना है, इंटरनेट एप्लीकेशन यूज करना है, लैन में कनेक्ट करना है, किसी सिस्टम को आरडीपी लेना है, प्राइवेट आईपी, देखिए सब प्राइवेट आईपी है, तो इस ट्रैफिक इधर आएगा फायरवॉल से, बेस्ड ऑन योर पॉलिसी। अगर इंटरनेट पे जाना है तो आपको इधर जाना पड़ेगा, ये दूसरा रास्ता। ये पब्लिक आईपी और ग्लोबल्स के लिए, समझ गया, क्लियर है। तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, देखिए मेरा एक सिस्टम अपडेट हो रहा था, शायद ये अपडेट हो चुका, अपडेट होके आ भी गया है, थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है। आ जाओ बाबू, आ रहा है, देखिए ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट आएगा यहाँ पे, सब आना तो चाहिए। एक एक करके एप्लीकेशन आ जाएगा। देखिए 2 आया। अभी जस्ट ये अपडेट हुआ है, ये एक प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है। मैं यहाँ पे फिलहाल ये देखिए ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट, ये ऑटोमेटिक कनेक्ट होगा। मैं इसको हाथ पैर कुछ नहीं जब भी ये सिस्टम का आएगा, ऑन होके आएगा, ये ऑटोमेटिक ट्राई टू कनेक्ट। देखिए कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ठीक है। ये कनेक्ट हो जाएगा तो आपको यहाँ पे टिक दिखेगा, ग्रीन आ जाएगा। सो इट विल ट्राई टू कनेक्ट ऑटोमेटिकली। So just wait for some time until, yeah, it is connected. Now, if I am trying to access the internet, मैं क्रोम खोल रहा हूँ और 2 3 टैब खोल रहा हूँ, CMD। ये मेरा क्या है, मेरा टेस्ट सिस्टम है, PING 8.8.8। So I don't think that I am able to ping it। मैंने एक बार टेस्ट किए हैं, ठीक है, नो इश्यू। छोटा कर लेते, रिक्वेस्ट टाइम आउट आ रहा है, ओके। Now I am just trying to Google, it will not open anything, no problem। मुझे इसको डिफॉल्ट और एक चीज करना है, CMD, ROUT, रूट, रूट टेबल काइंड ऑफ, हाँ ये रूट टेबल है। Now what I am going to search, रूट प्रिंट, सॉरी, अरे भाई रुक जा, रूट प्रिंट, रूट प्रिंट। कभी कभी उल्टा होता है, प्रिंट भी होता है, पाद भी होता है। सो आई एम जस्ट टाइप इट, सी। ये मेरा ये फिजिकल लॉजिकल सब दिखा रहा है, कहाँ से ट्रैफिक फॉरवर्ड हुआ, 0.0 के लिए अभी जा रहा है 192.168.1.1 के तरफ, देखिए। और बाकी कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा है अभी, ठीक है। नाउ लास्ट थिंग, Windows ncpa.cpl। See what is my IP? I have two IPs. One is physical, one is logical. This is my physical IP. Okay. So you can see 14. Now this will be my logical IP. Okay. This is my VPN Global Protect VPN. See PNG GP Global Protect PAN Global Protect. Okay. Now done. Now I am going to the firewall. I'm closing this, canceling it. Monitor. See, this is source, this is the destination. I'm just closing it. If I'm doing anything, it will, you can see it will go to the internet 443. Everything is denied because I haven't create any policy for the internet. But if this system able to access the local system, means if he wants to try to access or ping, ping 10.10.0.15, it he can able to ping, okay, because we have a policy. Which policy it is? For the LAN to LAN. See, this is one policy. What is policy? It is GPVPN to LAN. It is allow. You can see, if you can see, the ping is allow. See, just give me a minute. 10.10.15, you can get it, no issue. There is so many deny policies because it is trying to hit the internet. Or you can just 10.10.0.15, it, you can see it will allow ping, allow GPVPN. Okay, now it is Saturday and it is 10 in the night. Okay, so it is getting some आगे और पीछे. Okay, so you can see it is allowed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, but I cannot go to the internet. See, Google is not working, YouTube is not working, or you Why your YouTube is not working? Okay, you cannot open it. But now you can see the logs as well. So clear karo 1075. See, deny. So what for full tunneling, what you have to do? You have to do two things. One, just click it, clone it, copy. Now edit it. GP policy for INTERNET. So you have to create one policy and your destination will be not LAN. You can delete, add which one? My Airtel one. It will go to the internet. Not only that, by the time you have to do the netting as well. Okay. So because you can do one thing, you can create new or you can just clone it. Same thing. See, I'm just saving my time. GP NAT INT for internet. What will be their original source? You have to just only add the global protect, else traffic will be going by the same Airtel internet. And now you have to just commit it. It will take some time and I'm just pausing this video. You can see it is 90%. It is not showing any error because I have just created one policy and one NAT policy. For the full tunnel, just remember it is a full tunnel. Means everything is going via, if I'm trying to anything, it will come here, the Palo Alto file here and here. This two way. That's the simple thing. You have to understand. Monitor as of now. See, I didn't do anything. It will already allowed. You can see global protect for internet. The policy is already there. See, so if you can see, it will ping as happening. It is already. I hope it will get internet. You can go to YouTube TV, whatever, because I have allowed any, but it is not the right way that you are going to allow any. But for the testing purpose, I'm just using it any. You can search my name as well, no problem. So this is the scenario that you are using full tunnel. Now, how you can confirm it? So you have to confirm and go to prompt and check path in now. See what is the scenario here. Same 0.0.0. See, there is two things. One is going via this, okay, /25, but the metric value is 1. So it will use this path because which metric value is low, it will take the priority. So everything is going via 172.16 25 1. So now you can understand it is going via the global protect VPN. Means it is using the firewall internet, means your office internet. You can check, you can get it. You can get some public IPs, yes, SSL, and this is a different LAN to internet. This is the 15. 15 means the system. That is a different way, the LAN to internet. But if you can use this one, okay, unknown UDP traffic, it will use the all SSL global protect internet. And also you can confirm via this, go to the NAT policy. Okay, you can get it so many hit. If you are using the hit count, you can show the hit count as well. See here the hit count is, okay, NAT LAN internet security policy. There is two policy, one this and one that. Okay, so this is the two scenario. Now your office asking, no, if everyone is connecting to, see, you have 500 user and everyone try to connect to this one and by a remote VPN and try to access the internet. Okay, then what happened? Your bandwidth will be choked. Then why you are using this internet and who is paying for it only to connect the office internet? No. Now come to the split tunnel. SP split means divide into two parts. One is this, one is this. It is your local internet, it is your office network, office LAN network. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to split it. इनसे रिक्वायर्ड, अरे स्प्लिट करके देना भाई, होता है ना, हम लोग भी स्प्लिट करके लेते हैं, आधे इधर जाओ आधे उधर जाओ, ठीक है, मतलब बाकी मेरे पीछे आओ, ठीक है, तो वही सिनेरियो है. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just configuring, do some changes in the tunneling settings. What is that? Go to gateway. Okay, now I'm splitting. Where? From the gateway. Okay, click here, authentication agent, client settings, configuration, split tunneling. So here is include and exclude. Now I'm just going to include 10.10 dot, what is my network, 0.0/24. I'm just including it, and excluding what is that, 0.0.0/0 means the global network. I'm just doing only these things. Else we can do many more things, include some domain, exclude some domain, facebook.com, xyz.com, but just create on do the net based on the network. So just clicking OK. Still I can able to access this via global protect VPN, right? See, I can able to still access Google. Now what I'm going to, I'm just changing one thing and just doing the commit. Okay, commit policy object device and network. Now no problem, close it. Monitor. Now if I'm go to the monitor section, still you can see my internet traffic is going via GP policy. If it isn't successful, then you can see only the traffic for 117.16 and for the private network, not the external network. Then because it is only using, if I'm trying to access any of this network, then it will come to office tunnel. If not, then everything is going via this one. Well, I hope this is the simplest way that I can. So this is my two hand. If I am going to office, then go via this direction. If I'm going to internet or going for fun, then I'm going to these directions. So this is the split tunneling. Okay, अगर आपको दोनों से एक ही साथ करना है, ऑफिस भी जाना है और फन भी करना है, then you have to go via tunnel. Okay, so this is the scenario. Wait, और एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि sometime what happened if you are committing it and it will try immediately, so sometime it will take some time to effect. It is better that you can disconnect and connect the global protect VPN, then it will be easier, I hope. Okay, no problem, I'll try to. It will take some time because it is a physical device, a small box, so it will take much time to commit it. तो ना आप कितना टाइम, बाबू हो जाए, इन लोगों का टाइम खराब हो रहा है, बहुत समय जा रहा है. यहाँ 50% हो गया, 90% में भी आके भी ऐसा करके खराब है. अब इंक्लूड एक्सक्लूड का चक्कर मैं देख रहा हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, क्लोज करेंगे इसको, और पाथ पिंग ये वाला नहीं, तो मेरा उसमें मेरा एडी. अच्छा, और एक चीज, अरे अरे अरे, कैंसिल कैंसिल कैंसिल, पिछड़ी बन जाता सब काम का. सो ये मेरा सर्वर है, मैं अभी ऑथेंटिकेट किया हूँ. कौन सा यूजर से, वो कैसे पता चलेगा, वो भी मैं एक बार इस होते होते देखता हूँ. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, ठीक है, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कौन, ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट. देखिए, इफ यू वांट्स डेडिकेटेडली फॉर ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट लॉग, यू हैव टू गो टू दिस ही प्रोफाइल. इसको आप देखिए, आज का लॉग्स 27. ओके, सो कौन सा यूजर है, कौन सा मतलब एजेंट, यूजर लॉगिन विंडोज से हो रहा है, विंडोज 10 ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट सक्सेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पोर्टल अकाउंट से. आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दिस अकाउंट, SMIT अकाउंट, ठीक है. सो इट इज माई, it is showing the public IP, but you can assume it is a public because you are coming from the external network. So I'm just using the internal one, that's why it is showing. ओके, और भी है ऑथेंटिकेशन। सो ये भी आप चेक करो, यू कैन चेक इट। तो यहाँ पे भी आपको कुछ लॉग मिलना चाहिए, ऑथेंटिकेशन, एलएम और यूजर आईडी, कहीं पे कुछ मिलता है, मुझे याद नहीं है इतना। ये यहाँ से मिलता है, देखो ये लॉगिन हो रहा है, SMIT, ये वाला नहीं। ओके, बिफोर आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट, टनल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सिस्टम, it will show in a system। ये कौन यूजर लॉग इन हुआ, सक्सेसफुल कमिट हुआ, ग्लोबल प्रोटेक्ट के लिए ना आपको, यू या दिस इज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, पोर्टल जॉब यूजर एडमिन चेंज टाइप कमिट, इसको यू कैन जस्ट डू इट 50। is one phase 2। okay, no issue। Now what I'm going to do, I'm go to this system, try to connect Google, still it is connecting now, no issue for YouTube। Okay, कुछ भी लिख रहा हूँ, it is opening right now। what I'm going to, I'm just testing this connectivity for 10, waiting response, आने दो। Now I'm just doing one thing, now see what is the priority। ये अभी भी इंटरनेट के लिए 192.168.1.10 पे ही जा रहा है, राइट, बिकॉज आई हैवेंट डिलीट दिस पॉलिसी। सी now I have to do one more thing, still it is using the same policy। if you go to the monitor, if I'm using, you can see, oh sorry, traffic, still it is going via internet। see, it is going via internet, global policy internet, click it, you can see, right, one more time, FAC, Facebook, you can see now, just check the logs, you can see there is a public IP, you can see पब्लिक आईपी मिलता रहेगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है, सी दिस से पब्लिक आईपी, ये आप एनएस लुकअप करोगे तो इट विल बी योर फेसबुक। बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, because I have already the policy, right, so it is using this policy, but that is not the scenario because it is using this policy। so what you have to do, you have to disable this policy and as well as the net policy, because it is still going via full tunnel internet net, so disable it and do the commit, then you can able to identify if it is going via split or it is going via normal, so it will take some time, I'm just doing one thing, suppose, yeah, I'm just doing this, okay, now I'm go to the monitor tab, if I'm using this same thing, now you can see it will go via deny, see, if so it is directly deny, and now you cannot open anything, but still you can able to ping pong, okay, still you can able to, mm, you cannot ping public IP, but you can able to ping the, mm, if you try to access the you can do it, no problem, for the LAN network you can do it, okay, now if you still go to the path print, you will show 192.168, the metric is the, still it is priority the second। now what I am going to do, it will test, you test will be the success, see it is true। now what I am going to do, I am just will just do one thing. It is I'm just disable it, means it is disconnected. Now if you try 443, it will fail because now it is connected to the internet. Now go to the, now it is which internet it is using. It is now you can see it is using only one. There is no VPN. The second IP has been gone because I have disabled. Now I'm going to connect it. See, Facebook has been opened in the background because the internet has been connected. It is using the local internet. Now it is connected. Now what I'm going to do, I am using the same thing. Now see, again the same. Now um, see, 192.168. It will using the same, and the priority is 10.10.10. Now I am just trying to connect this. It will connect by default, no issue. You can see the true result. During after before that, when I'm using this, see there is a two default gateways, right? For the 0.1 and there is another one. But just go to a before connecting single, there is a two network 0.0, 0.1, right? 0.0, there is two default gateway. But right now I am just using my local internet. See, is using. Right, I have using so many things, manage PCs, downloads, Sant Majumdar, Babu, Ami, Pawari, bolo na. So I can able to use, but you cannot see any hit, a single hit on the firewall itself. You can only see the 10 networks. See, this is the 10 network. 443, you cannot see anything. YouTube, X, Y, Z, Ram, Sham, Jodu, Madhu, you cannot see anything. Okay, so this is the scenario where you can use the split tunneling and all those things. So thank you so much everyone for supporting me and my videos. I'm really means what I can say. I really thankful to you everyone. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों সবাইকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ. See, still you cannot see anything. You can only see the 10 networks. So if I'm going to my VPN, to trace to 443, 23, whatever it is, you can fail, no issue. Failed is okay. I can't accept it because I haven't opened it because, but I'm just doing the RUN MSTSC. You can see 10.10.0.15. It will open. It will come. See, I can able to access the that system, which is my local system, right? This is my one of the system, and this system IP, if you can, there is so many interface and cpa.cpl. See, this is the 10 network, 10.10.15. So this is the way that you can access. Now still you can see only the 10 network IPs. See, there is no public IPs over here. So this is the scenario that you can use your split tunneling. Now internet is going via your local web and your office network, means if you see private to private it is connecting via, if you go to open it, you can see this is your MSRDP policy number, GP global protect policy, source is ATO, destination is ATO, LAN, tunnel 1, interface 1.3 LAN, okay, TCP data byte receives using, so Z, okay, so it is showing it is a tunnel interface. See, it is in via tunnel. Clear? So hope it will help you to identify. If you go to some previous for deny, just and okay. If you go to some previous, I have just deleted, no problem. Some still it is deny. Still it is deny. Still it is deny. I'm just try to see some allow logs. And it not, then I can show you during that time when it is going via internet or this IP, you can see it is using the tunnel 443. Yeah, this is your public IP, right? See, the first time Google base, you can see it is using the tunnel. So this is the scenario. Uh, this one going to this one via tunnel. Right now, you cannot see any traffic via tunnel. It will going directly. Okay, 1072. 25. You cannot see any public IPs as of now because it is all going bad. Okay, thank you so much. So I hope you can understand how you can configure split tunnel and the full tunnel. In full tunnel, you would require specifically policies for VPN to internet and a net policy. But in the split tunnel, you no need any policy for the internet. You just need a policy to allow from your VPN to your LAN or DMZ server based on your request. But and you have to enable split tunneling, network, gateway, gateway section, authentication, agent, client settings, split tunneling, include and export. Okay, so hope you can understand. Now we will cover the next topic. Same thing for the global protect. And in the next video, we will cover the global protect settings. Means you cannot enable, you cannot disable, you can the agent part. What is the agent part? How you can configure it? Agent or app part. Username, password, disable for enabling for, and so many things over there. So we'll just cover something over there. Thank you so much. Have a nice life. Jai Hind.